If you have been following my channel, which I started a little over a year ago, you know that I am a huge fan of iPicky.com. But today I'm going to show you some new features that PicMonkey has. And is what I love so much about PicMonkey is it is like an iPicky and a Canva all in one. So Canva recently came out with some new features that you have to pay for in order to get access to them, and you can have a 30-day free trial before you start, and I think it's like $12 a month. And with PicMonkey, for $7.99 a month, you have access to all of their features, and I really like it because it is exactly like an iPicky and a Canva combined in one. So let's go over some of the new features. But before I get into the video, if you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And let's jump right into it. So here we are in PicMonkey. Now, if I go over here to templates, they have recently added a bunch of new templates. So if we go down to, okay, so if you are wanting to make Pinterest, a lot of people use Pinterest for marketing, then you can click on Pinterest, and right here you're going to have all of these templates that you can edit. Some of them are in this size, and these are already pre-sized for you, which makes it great. Some people like to make the longer Pinterest pins for their marketing, and that's another video I'm going to do. I've done one already, and I will link it. You'll probably see it flash up here, the video that I did on Pinterest marketing. I'm going to do a part 2 on that because there's a lot more in depth on how to do Pinterest marketing, especially if you have an Etsy business or wherever you're selling your digital designs. So this is just, I think this is personally awesome. So basically you click on one of these templates and then you can edit anything that's on here. So, I mean, you can take out the words. These are just showing you what you can do with it. And then they also have the blank ones as well, and you can do that. So there's Pinterest, YouTube. If you have a YouTube channel, they have your channel art that you can do. They have your thumbnails, just about anything that you want to do. They've got every template that you need right here in here. So if you look here, there's Instagram, and you can make all of your Instagram posts, by using these templates. So they have YouTube, Twitter, Pinterest, they have Facebook. So if you have like a Facebook page or a Facebook group or anything, any template that you need, it's going to be right here. So that is one of the things I love so much about this. So all you would have to do is click on it and then edit it. So they used to not have all of these, which I think is just amazing. And in addition, you can also do the blank canvas, or you can make a collage. Up here they have the regular ads, announcements, business cards. So you can do just about anything starting with a template here, and anything you see in here you can take out and you can redo. The main thing is that you have the size correctly. Okay, so I'm going to go and show you something else. If I click on the editor, they have some new features that I really like. Under, I believe it is graphics or effects. Let me see on the effects. Okay, so here on the effects, they have added some more features on this. So I'm really liking, they have all of these. You can even do like HDR, sun glow, spotlight. You can do all of these, and there's just so many things that you can do. So you would add an image and then you could edit that. On the graphics, they have a lot of things like they've added here new social media, design, business, lifestyle, sports and fitness, real estate. I mean, anything that you can think of, they have on here. So if you are wanting to use a site that is budget friendly and user friendly, which is what my channel is all about, I highly recommend doing PicMonkey. If you pay annually, I think it's only $9.99 a month, and if you pay it monthly, I think it's like $7.99 a month. I think that's what I'm paying for that. So there are so many features on here. So I'm going to click on textures, and they have recently added a lot of new textures. They've added the glitter. So let's say that you wanted to make something glitter. You can choose on any of these that you want to use, and you've got your glitter right there. So I think that's just pretty amazing. Now I have videos that I have done where I have shown how to make your own glitter paper. So that's just one of the things that they've done. So I'm going to go back to another one that I think is really cool, is called Cloudy Ink. And they have all these features that you can do, and you can make these. And this is just so neat. And you can kind of move this around a little bit. So if you're wanting some really like cool textures, you can use that. You can even choose the saturation if you wanted it a little bit darker, or if you wanted to fade, however you wanted to do it, you have that option. So I am really loving that. So like on this, I would probably want to saturate this a little bit more. So I'm really loving the textures on that. So they have a lot of these new, you can add bokeh, clouds, water, ice. Some of these they've had on here. There's paper, and there's 9 new. So there's different textures that you can apply to your designs. So if you want something like this, there's all of these textures, and you just scroll down and whatever you want. Or if you want like a marbled texture or a paper texture. So this looks like crinkled paper. They have it in here. So, I mean, it has just about everything. So those are some of the new features that they have. Let's see here. So these are some themes, and most of these have been here for a while. So they haven't really added too many on that. So on the frames, we'll see if they've added any. They have new frames here. So there's lots of these to choose from as well. Okay, so on touch-up, they've added a lot of different things too. Actually, I think most of these, I didn't know they actually had weight loss on here. So once again, those are some new features. So the main features that they have added are the templates and the textures, and anything that you want to create, you can do it right here in PicMonkey. So I highly recommend that you invest in PicMonkey. Now, I am a creature of habit, and I always end up going back to iPicky.com because I really like creating things from scratch, and I like making things, you know, my own size, and I just like doing it myself. And I have obviously several videos where I use iPicky.com. So it's just a matter of preference. I have a Facebook group, and if you have not yet joined my Facebook group, it's called Etsy Passive Income. And All you have to do is make sure you answer the 2 questions, and one of the moderators or myself will allow you into the group, and you get a lot of great help there. So inside my group, I know there's a lot of people who use Canva, and Canva is awesome as well. They have a lot of things that you can do with, they already have, the templates for you, like business cards and brochures and wedding invitations, those types of things. So it really is a matter of preference on what platform you want to use for your design. But I just wanted to take a minute and show you some of the new features of PicMonkey. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone has a wonderful day.